Welcome back. Let's bowl off with cricket, shall we? The Jamaica Scorpions selectors have begun preparation for the upcoming Super 50 Cup, seemingly without a coach in place, as the Jamaica Cricket Association moves cautiously in appointing Robert Haynes to the lead role. More in this report.
Spotted. The man who is expected to take over as head coach of the Jamaica Scorpions team, Robert Haynes, watches on in the company of the senior team selectors led by Delroy Morgan. His impending appointment, however, is delayed as Andrew Richardson is still on a contract until the end of September. While making it clear that he is not the coach but an interested onlooker, Haynes, who was also at the first trial game last week at Savannah Park, is expected to be announced as the head coach in the coming weeks as the JCA winds up the Scorpions franchise, which is set to undergo a massive overhaul. Lead selector Morgan, though, did not shy away from commenting on the impending appointment.
Well, yes, as you know, Andrew Richardson was a coach. His contract finishes the end of this month. So Robert Haynes, I think, is the coach now. He will be taking up his job by the 1st of October. So Robert Haynes will be the new coach. So we're looking forward to that.
There is potential for a not-so-smooth transfer of power, as TVJ Sports understands that the current coaching staff of Richardson assistant Nikita Miller are far from pleased with the handling of the situation. It's understood that both Richardson and Miller have not received anything in writing from either the JCA nor the Scorpions franchise notifying them that their contracts would not be renewed. In fact, a source told TVJ Sports that Richardson was asked for his input in regards to the list of contracted players for the 2024-2025 contractual period. The question was also put to Morgan if he foresees any issues.
It's no challenge. I think they're basically on leave while the contract comes to an end. That is Andrew Richardson. So there shouldn't be any problem. Robert Haynes is coming in. He's just passing by for now to make sure that things should be smooth going forward.
Morgan, along with selectors Junior Bennett and Bertram Barnes, are currently overseeing the trial games to assess the players before the commencement of the training period. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.
Meanwhile.